out here in Boyne City, Michigan, right here on the lake. We have 2 pallets of Warmboard S that came to the job site. So we broke it up now. We have our left turn panels, our straight panels, our double turn panels, and our right turn panels. So now we can follow along with our plans right here. So I'm here with the owner, Tony. Tony, what do you think of your Warmboard experience so far?
So far, so good. Everything's going beyond my expectations. I'm pretty excited about the project.
How was your experience with Warmboard?
Good. I've had a great experience, and my local contractor, they took time to review the product, and I think they did a nice job on the installation. Pretty excited about it.
Yeah, it's just starting to get cold here in Michigan, so I think we're going to fire up the boiler, get the system up and running, and make this place nice and toasty, make it feel as good as it looks. So yeah, let's go get the boiler turned on. All right, so I was just talking to the heating contractor here, and they're about to install the neutralizer. So it can be a little tricky if you've never done one of these before. You just want to make sure that you're orienting this horizontally, or if you orient it vertically, you want to make sure that the inlet comes in at the bottom and then percolates out through the top. And that's because just the way this works, you really want that liquid to sit in the rocks for a little while to neutralize it before it gets discharged. So it can also get a little plugged up sometimes if you have the inlet at the top and then the outlet at the bottom. So yeah, that's just one of those little details you want to be careful of as you're doing the installation of your neutralizer. All right, so we just fired up the boiler in construction mode. That's where we utilize the dongle that plugs in and that overrides the control. So we do have our manifold controller downstairs set up. We've got the actuators disconnected or popped off, so there's flow going through all the loops. We have a manifold upstairs that we're in the middle of installing the manifold controller. So we're just running construction mode right now just to get the house warmed up so our homeowner here doesn't have to stay in a hotel tonight. But it looks like we've got fire in the boiler. There we go. So yeah, we should start feeling the heat here coming out of the floor pretty soon. With the construction mode, you can run it in two temperatures, either 100 degrees or 120 degrees. And the trick is to get a Christmas tree light timer, plug that in, and then pick a couple windows of time to run that heat, and then the system will just shut down, just like your Christmas tree lights go off, and then kick back on whenever it comes back on.